Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix payment failed issue on Whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you first need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix payment failed issue on Whatnot. So if your payment keeps failing on Whatnot, the problem is usually related to your payment method, bank authorization, billing information, or a temporary app issue. You can try these steps. So first of all, what you can actually go and try is going and checking your card details. So make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV, name, and billing information are correct. Check your available funds, so make sure your card or account has enough money to cover the purchase, including shipping taxes and applicable fees. You can contact your bank. Your bank may decline the transaction, particularly if it considers the payment unusual or international. Ask whether they're blocking the Whatnot transaction. You can of course always try another payment method. So Whatnot supports several payment options depending on your location and device. Adding a different eligible card or payment method can help determine whether the original method is causing the problem. You can remove and re-add the payment method. If saved payment information is causing an error, remove the card from your Whatnot payment settings and add it again with the correct details. You can update and restart Whatnot. Install the latest version of the app in the App Store or Google Play Store, whichever you're using. And you can of course try the website. So if payments fail only in the app, you can go to the browser. The browser is looking like this. So this is the browser and how the website looks. So it is basically whatnot.com. You can go and check it out there, and you can see if that can of course fix your problem. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.